you program in Mazatrol? Have you ever wanted to work with CAD files while programming? Do you find that more of your customers are sending you CAD files to program parts with? Do you wish there was a way to import the shape geometry from a CAD file while programming in Mazatrol, instead of tying up valuable machine time? With MazaCam, this can be done easily. Let's take a closer look at the MazaCam Import CAD feature. The new MazaCam Import CAD feature allows you to easily load and open a DXF or IGES CAD file alongside of the editor. While programming, you can quickly pick your shape geometry from the open CAD file to be automatically inserted into your program. This will considerably reduce your programming time and prevent mistakes from data entry. With the MazaCam Import CAD feature, you don't have to learn a whole new CAD/CAM system to program your parts. You're already familiar with Mazatrol programming, and this new feature allows you to just import the shape. The interface has been designed to allow for easy use while maintaining the look and feel that you are already familiar with. Now, with MazaCam, you can easily work with DXF and IGES CAD files while programming in Mazatrol. Contact Solutionware for a live demonstration to see firsthand how MazaCam can increase profits for your shop.